In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add animated header text to your WordPress website using Elementor and a free plugin. This is a great way to make your site more dynamic and capture your visitors' attention. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Next, go to the plugin section and click Add New. Plugins extend your website's features and make advanced designs possible. Search for Essential Add-ons for Elementor. Install it and then click Activate. This plugin includes the widget we'll need for our animated header. Now, go to the Pages section and open the page where you want the animated header. Click Edit with Elementor. In the Elementor editor, search for the Fancy Text widget from Essential Add-ons. Drag and drop it onto your page where you want the animated header to appear. Customize the text, animation speed, colors, and style to match your design. You can even set multiple words or phrases to rotate, giving your site a modern, interactive touch. When you're happy with the result, click Update to save and publish your changes. Refresh your site and you'll see your new animated header text live. It's a simple addition that makes a big impact.